So you want the top of the line jazz radio type audio quality, the top tier, the elite. And I mean, you sound like a podcast type audio quality for your microphone. You want that Joe Budden podcast type audio quality. Today I'm gonna show you that right now. Welcome to I'm Choji, and yes, I did change my name because the name I had before it sounded basic. This channel is called I'm Choji, and my main channel is called It's Choji. It might be a little confusing to some people, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how to improve your audio quality for your microphone with this one software I'm gonna show you today. Go to Voice Meter. That's the software. I have the link in the description below for this website, but you want to download Voice Meter. Download right here, this first one. Click on download Voice Meter. I already have the app on my computer, so it's really no point in me downloading it. Or if anything weird happens with this first one, just download the second one right here where it says install. Just click on that one. Either way, it'll work. And then after you're done installing the program and everything, go to your Voice Meter app and go to, and where you see hardware input, this arrow right here, click on that. Then go to your microphone, which I have a Rode NT USB. Yeah, go to WDM. What the heck? Hey man, I ain't trying to buy anything. I don't get that kind of money. But yeah, go to WDM microphone. Like, go select your microphone. Mine's again Rode NT USB. And you see it's already working right here. It's already working. But right here, you can control, like, do you want your voice to sound like deep or like high pitch? See, with me, my voice is already like high pitch as it is. But we're gonna put this program on your OBS. Alright, so minimize this. Actually, no, hold up. Before we do that, man, I'm going a little too fast. My bad. I know y'all like, man, slow down. My bad. I'm sorry. Then like this right here, this hardware out, this A1, click that, and then go to WDM again. Then NVIDIA high definition audio. If you have NVIDIA, like a NVIDIA graphics card. If you don't, just select whatever graphics card you got, like that audio selection. All right, so now we minimize this, and then your OBS. Go to your settings on OBS. Again, I'm using OBS Studio, which it uses less CPU in my opinion than Streamlabs OBS. All right, then go to audio, then mic/auxiliary audio. Select Voice Meter output, and is it working? Yeah, hold up, is it working? Yeah, hold up. Oh yeah, it is. If you want to make sure if it's like working, go to properties, like that little wheel by your mic and aux right here, properties, and then Voice Meter. Hold on, I'm gonna see, does that actually work? Like, I'm gonna listen to my own voice right quick. Oh yeah, whoa, golly. Yo, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Yep. But you can see it's clearly working. But before you open OBS, open up Voice Meter first. Just like with the Logitech C920 thing. But the thing is, you gotta leave Voice Meter on, like, in the background. Like, don't close it. Like, just minimize it. Like, it's right here, see? It's minimized. And you can change, like, do you want your voice to be like low pitch, like you want to sound like, you know, you just woke up and you trying to, you know, impress the ladies. Then you want if you want like high pitch, or I don't know why, for some reason, or you want it like low. I bet this joint sound low right now. I bet it is. Does it sound high or does it sound low? But oh yeah, one thing to keep in mind though. Hold on, where is it? Dang, I just closed my OBS. But yeah, one thing to keep in mind though, the Voice Meter with OBS, it has like a slight delay. You can, like, you'll tell, like, if you like play a game or something, like you do like a scary game, you do like a reaction first, and then the scary part happens. Like you can adjust the delay, and then your sync offset right here. Where is it? Right here. Then you put in like 150, I think. Then it'll be in sync. It worked with it's different for everyone. But with mine, it was like 150 or negative 150. It's either negative 150 or just 150. Like, just put that on your mic/aux, and it should be in sync. But that's it for the video. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Let me know if everything worked out. Make sure, like, comment below, tell me did it work, or tell me, like, do you have any issues, do you have any questions and all that. And yeah, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. And I'm trying to help, like, beginning content creators or just content creators in general that doesn't know like the tips and tricks that I be doing, like, when I create content. But again, I appreciate you guys for watching this video. If you want to subscribe to my main channel in the description below. Now, I'm gonna catch y'all boys and ladies in my next video. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Now I'm gonna catch y'all in my next one. All right, peace.